Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel techsmartbest. Now I am reviewing a specification the smartphone of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So this video will be very interesting. Please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of body dimension. The dimension of a two type unfoldable dimension 167.3 by 73.6 7.2 mm and foldable dimension 87.4 by 73.6 and 17.3 mm. Glass front, glass back, aluminium frame, nano SIM, eSIM. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of body. Foldable dimension AMOLED capacitive touchscreen 16mm color. Display size of 6.7 inch. Resolution 1080 by 2636 pixels. HDR plus 10. Cover display 1.1 inch Super AMOLED 112 by 300 pixels. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of operating system Android 10.01 UI1 Qualcomm SM10150 Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU octa-core GPU Adreno 614. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of memory no card slot, internal memory 256 GB and 8 GB of RAM, UFS 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of main camera triple 12MP LED flash HDR panorama. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of selfie camera 10MP HDR gloss speaker and no 3.5mm jack. The Samsung Galaxy of Z Flip connectivity Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot Bluetooth 5.0 A2DP LE GPS with 8 GPS GLONASS GALILEO BDS NFC USB 3.1 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector USB on the go. Sensor fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro proximity, compass, barometer. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of battery non-removable LiPo3300 mAh battery, fast charging 15W wireless charging. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip of color mirror black, mirror purple and mirror gold. For any query about smartphones, so please leave a comments, I will reply.